Hello Minecraft, or YouTube, whatever.
People who play Minecraft who are possibly watching this.
Why are you doing your English accent? Anyways, so we're doing this video to show
I was doing
you.
my American.
You and I, and Jimmy and I, have done this huge TNT explosion, and it's 1,600 TNT. So it's over 1,600. So let's just see how it goes. Wish I had fun mode right now. That would really help.
Okay, here it comes. It's about now. Going on. It's gonna be
Perfect view.
epic. Some of them are still covered in snow.
So it's kind of freezing up my computer. Hopefully that won't affect the video quality at all. Whoa, I can see down into the earth. Well, that's cool. Hey, there's some lava over there.
Disappeared on there.
Hey, it looks like there was a dungeon over there. Let's go check it out. Yeah, that's what remains of a dungeon. Right here. Anyways, that went well.
Look, the little fountain of water over there.
Wow. So, see you later. I hope to see some comments and likes. It really helps me out.
And please subscribe.
I'll start doing, if you subscribe and do likes, then I'll try and put on more videos. Thanks.